The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hi, Neil. Nice shoes.
Really, Feifei? I'm not so sure about them.
They look cool. Orange is very original.
You're just being nice. I've decided buying orange shoes was a bad move. I look stupid.
Were they expensive?
Very expensive.
Oh, you know what? I think you're suffering from buyer's remorse.
I suppose I do regret buying them.
Buyer's remorse is our phrase in this, the English we speak. It's a particular kind of regret people can feel after a big purchase, like a house or a car. They feel they've made a bad decision.
Yes, that sounds right. Have you ever felt it?
Yes, after I bought my new bike. Thankfully, the feeling passed. I love my bike now. Listen to these examples.
I made a terrible decision buying this house. It's in a bad location and it needs a lot of repairs. What was I thinking?
Sounds like buyer's remorse, my friend. Relax, the repairs aren't serious and it only takes 5 minutes to get to the train station.
Lovely new car.
Thanks, but I'm feeling terrible buyer's remorse right now. It was so expensive. What if I lose my job?
Why did I order lobster soup? Your potato soup was half the price and it's tastier.
I know the feeling. I always order the wrong thing and then get some serious buyer's remorse. Let's share.
You're listening to the English we speak from BBC Learning English. The expression we're looking at in this programme is buyer's remorse. So, Neil, are you feeling any better now?
You know, the funny thing is, I bought these shoes to cheer myself up.
Oh, a bit of retail therapy, was it? Buying something to make yourself feel happier. It doesn't always work.
Sadly not.
Hey, aren't they running shoes?
Yes?
Well, how about this for a crazy idea? Go for a run in them. They'll make you feel better.
You're probably right, as always, Feifei.
And by the way, I do think they look great. Orange suits you.
Oh, thanks. I guess they are pretty unique.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.